For today, we are asked to find the limit of these two expressions if the limit exists. For the first limit, you see that it is of form infinity minus infinity. We do not know whether the first term go to infinity faster compared to the second term. So we need to use the idea of conjugate to determine the answer. Whereas for the second one, where x go to 0, the first term go to 0 and the second term go to infinity. Again, we do not know what is the outcome. After some calculation, I believe most of you will actually get the answer for the first one and the second one. However, most people got the wrong answer for the second question. Please be careful when you try it.
Pause the video now if you wish to solve it. Keep watching the video once ready.
So as mentioned, for the first one, it is square root of 4x squared plus 3x plus 3 minus 2x. We may multiply with the conjugate, that is square root of 4x squared plus 3x plus 3 plus 2x. And don't forget to divide by the same term again. So for the numerator, we have a minus b, a plus b. So it's actually equals to a squared minus b squared, that is 4x squared plus 3x plus 3 minus 2x squared. And don't forget to write square root of 4x squared plus 3x plus 3 plus 2x. Now note that this will be 4x squared minus 4x squared and they are gone. So we left with 3x squared plus 3. And for this, it is square root of 4x squared plus 3x plus 3 plus 2x. Initially, it's a form infinity minus infinity. Now, it becomes a form of infinity over infinity. But this is easier to deal with. And now, we should divide each of the term by x to the power of 1. Okay, how about this? This is square root. So if we divide by x, so it actually means that we will divide x squared, square root of x squared. So it will be divided by x squared, x squared, x squared inside the square root. And the outcome will be 3 plus 3 over x over square root of 4 plus 3 over x plus 3 over x squared plus 2. So now when x go to infinity, the numerator is 3 plus 0. And the denominator will be square root of 4 plus 0 plus 0, that is square root of 4, which is 2. 2 plus 2, that is 4. So the answer is 3 over 4. The answer for this first limit is 3 over 4. Now we should consider the question 2. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment and subscribe. So it is limit x multiplied with 1 over x squared plus 1, where x go to 0. So it looks simple because this one we can write as 1 plus x squared over x squared. And we know that this can be written as square root of 1 plus x squared over square root of x squared. Now, this is a tricky part because usually we write square root of x squared to be equal to x, but this is not the case because square root of x squared is actually equal to modulus of x, and it is actually equal to x if it is positive or equal to 0, and is negative x if x itself is negative. And now the limit go to 0. It means that it can go to 0 positive or it can go to 0 negative. So we do not know whether square root of x squared equals to x or equals to a negative x. Then we have to separate the two cases where we need to consider the limit of x go to 0 plus of this, it is actually equals to x square root of 1 plus x squared over x, and therefore it is equals to a 1. And for the one is x go to 0 negative, and this will be x square root of 1 plus x squared over square root of x squared, and it is equals to x square root of 1 plus x squared over negative x, because x now is a negative value. And therefore this is, after the cancellation, it is a negative 1. Since the right hand limit equals to 1 and the left hand limit equals to negative 1, therefore we say that the limit does not exist. Does not exist. As I mentioned, most people did not get the correct answer. How about you? Please let me know in the comment. That's all for today's lesson. I'll see you again next time. Bye bye.